Is your sharp dishwasher leaving you with a tub full of dirty water? Don't worry, you can likely fix it yourself. Drainage problems are common, with about 35% of dishwasher service calls related to this issue. The good news is that around 80% of these problems can be solved without calling a technician. First, understand the key components of your dishwasher's drainage system: the drain pump, drain hose, filter system, and the air gap if your dishwasher has one. The most frequent causes are clogged filters in 60% of cases, blocked drain hoses in 20%, and faulty drain pumps in 15% of cases. Start with the basics. Check your garbage disposal by running it for 30 seconds. Then, inspect the inside of your dishwasher for standing water and any visible debris. Finally, remove the bottom rack to access the filter area for cleaning. This gives you clear access to the most common problem area. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step process to fix your sharp dishwasher's drainage issues and establish a maintenance routine to prevent future problems. Step 1. Clean the dishwasher filters. Start by locating the cylindrical filter at the bottom of your dishwasher tub. This is the primary filter that catches food particles and debris. Don't forget the mesh filter underneath the cylindrical filter. This secondary filter catches smaller debris and is equally important for proper drainage. Step 2. Inspect the drain hose. First, disconnect power to your dishwasher for safety. Then access the drain hose, which is typically located under your kitchen sink. Critical: ensure your drain hose has a proper high loop before connecting to the garbage disposal. This prevents dirty water from backing up into your clean dishwasher. Step 3. Establish a regular maintenance routine. Proper maintenance prevents most drainage issues and extends your dishwasher's lifespan significantly. Step 4. Know when to call a professional. If you've completed all these steps and your dishwasher still won't drain properly, the issue may be a faulty drain pump or electrical problem requiring professional service. Following these steps and maintenance practices will keep your sharp dishwasher draining properly for years to come. Remember, prevention through regular cleaning is always easier than dealing with major blockages.